7709. Thank you very much, 180,000.
Lot 306 is the 1968 Triumph TR5 Roadster, the desirable fuel-injected model in left-hand drive form with an overdrive transmission. Restored a few years ago to the excellent condition you see it in today, these cars are rarely seen on US roads. The Triumph TR5 Roadster.
Thank you very much, Alan. I'm going to open the bidding here at $20,000. If you'd like to start me at $20,000. Thank you, sir. $20,000 right here in front of me at $20,25. Thank you. $25,000, $30,000 right here in front of me at $30,000 and selling on the way. $35,000 I'm bid. $40,000, thank you, $40,000, $45,000. Nope, well at $45,000 on my right here, selling all the way. It's no reserve, going to be sold at $45,000. Do I have 50 anywhere in the room now? We're at $45,000. Let me know if you'd like to come in on the telephone. At the moment, I'm selling here to the room at $45,000, and it's going for the first time. At $45,000, and it's going for the second time, Gordon. Last chance and third time at just $45,000. Well, thank you anyway. Are we all done? All finished at just $45,000. $50,000. Last minute, $55,000. Back in with me at $55,000. Are you out, sir? We bid once more. Your arm is aching, perhaps? No, it's not. $60,000. Thank you. $65,000. Back in with me at $65,000. So I have $70,000 now. We're at $65,000 on the aisle on my right. Is that a no, or is that a little one, perhaps? A half. At $67,500 on my right here. At $67,500. Well, thank you anyway. I guess your half is working. At $67,500, and it's going for the first time. At $67,500, it's going for the second time, sir. Third and last chance. At $67,500, are you all done? All finished? Sold your car, well done. 8329, $67,500.